Artificial intelligence doesn't help workers, it selects them. Copywriters, out of a job. Call centers agents, replaced by bots. Designers, burned by a single prompt. Developers, competing with tools that write code on their own. Meanwhile, companies talk about reskilling like it's a coffee break. The truth, if you don't already have a new skill, you're out. Not in a year, now. AI doesn't steal jobs, it shifts them. It hands them to those who know how to use it. If you don't adapt, you're cut out. This isn't a forecast, it's already happened. The future of work is simple. Either you use it or it uses you. Either you understand it or you are replaced. This isn't a revolution, it's a selection.